What is up, YouTube? What is up? What is up? How are you? Well, it is now Thursday. Well, no, it's not actually Thursday now, but it's Thursday. Today's video. Hopefully it'll be released on time, which would be 7:30 is when I tried to release the Thursday videos. Anyhow, so today's project, I got to, I just pulled the RV in, right? Sucked it all in, slide outs, all that, but I got to move that. Gonna get some rocks delivered and make a big pad, and then I gotta So just like anything, you know, we really love the Flagstaff Classic, but man, the one thing that I really don't understand, and whoever came up with this idea, I don't get it, but these stairs, they're not going to be there long, because this is where I'm going to build the deck right here, right out here. But I mean, look at this goofy design right here. So this is how you get the stairs in. You have to open the door. Just take some of the dirt off. But they fold up right in there. You know, there has to be something I don't like. I guess I'll take that because that's coming off there pretty soon anyway. Let's get these jacks up. This is pretty cool, these automatic jacks. Which one is it? Yeah, it's this one. Alright, so let's turn that on. Guess that's on. This is ready. So everything on this RV we're all experiencing together. I didn't do it when I set it up, the automatic leveling jacks, but we'll do it when we do set it back up after I build the pad. But I guess I'm gonna push the button, retract, and we'll see what happens. I don't know, but that's what it says right there. So let's see what happens. All right, retract right there. Alright, well, let me figure this out. Okay. Red light comes on. I don't know if I should still hold it or what. Red light stayed on. I don't know what that means. Oh, I wonder if I hit enter. Watching playing on YouTube a bunch, I figured out, well, once I pushed the button, it started going. Back jacks already came up, front jacks are coming up. That jack went down. I missed it all, but we'll get it when it all goes down later. Cool. Get these out of here. Ow. Splinter. Oh, wow. Dang, that thing's in there. Get these up there. Well, after going on YouTube, go figure, and researching it, I finally got it lifted up. Thank goodness I didn't try that when the rocks got here. The guy would have been a little upset me trying to figure out how to operate the jacks. And it's hot. Well, on second thoughts, I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up and move it because I got some stuff to lay down so that the grass don't grow up through the rocks. So let me go ahead and hook it up and move it. After a bunch of back and forth, I finally got it close. All right, check it out. I love these automatic jacks. Sure do make it nice. One more walk around, make sure everything picked up. Definitely don't want to damage anything. Alright, 4 jacks are up. Actually 5. 4 stabilizers and that one. So, alright, we're on the back row over there for right now. Well, Got out and looked in my mirror. Saw that I left this little door open. Guess I wasn't doing that good of a check. Oh, it's blinking. Right. Front right. Front right, that's that one. I just turn it off. Okay, well. Alright, we gotta move now. So let's park it over there for right now. I watch my truck, that thing looks good. Okay, well you can see here I'm gonna lay down this black underlayment. And then we're gonna bring in a bunch of rocks. Make a nice little rock pad and build a deck. Alright, let's get to it. Oh, it's hot. Forgot my knife over here. Gotta cut it somehow. I need my brain. Alright, so they just called, they're on their way. Well, they said about 40 minutes, so I got sidetracked. I had to freaking do something, so I had to go back to this. Oh, just a few more. Hot, hot, ow! Well, typical me, didn't record none of it as I had him dump the rock. Yeah. Oh, wrong way. Oh, there you go. You missed the alley. And now, time to start spreading some rock around. Oh, well, I got a little more in the back than I anticipated, so, oh, this is gonna be fun. Well, a lot of people don't live in Florida because of days like today, because it's so freaking hot. I mean, it's hot. Yeah, lenses. It's all foggy. I'm all sweating. All right, there goes that. All right. Okay, get more done. Keep at it. I'm getting closer, man, but boy, do I wish I had a tractor instead of that shovel. Ugh. Oh boy. I'm getting there. A little bit more right there in the middle. And then I'll be done with that. Okay. Boy, am I tired. Gotta fine tune this a little bit more and then put the RV back. Well, now we're gonna use the wife's car to pack it in. Starting to pack it in, but it's a little soft, so once we get it packed in, we'll be good to go. What are you doing? Okay, so got the pad done. Got it rolled and packed in, and oh, there's a better half over there, right in the paper. Now I want to put the RV back, and then I don't have to worry about mowing underneath it and getting all dirt and stuff like that. So look a lot nicer too. Stand by. Okay, next step is I'm gonna get a perpendicular with the pad right here. The rocks, they're not perpendicular just yet. That will become later, but that's my next mission. Well, I might as well stay true to not filming what I'm doing. Anyhow, I got the back jacks down. They're ready to back to the auto leveling system. Let's turn it on. Says it's ready. The right's blinking. What happened last time the right was blinking? No. Let's see if it auto levels. Says ready. Remember we had to drop the front end down. So last time I had to drop this down. To a certain level and then it would work. Alright, now the right and the front are blinking. Let's hit auto level. Okay, so I'm learning the system as I go. I push that button with the red light on, it's raising the front of the RV. Not sure why. What that was doing. The front.
It's bringing it up.
I know. I don't know what it's doing, but I know, or what it's supposed to be doing, but I know what it's bringing it up. Alright, the front's not blinking, it's just the right.
So the front. What?
I have no clue what I'm doing, but alright, I don't know what happened, but now all the jacks are down. Oh, let's go too. I don't know. You turn the main menu. Alright, auto level. Nothing. Something happened. No, that one's coming back up over there. And the red light's blinking again. Huh. Oh, that one's going. Something's happening there. Auto leveling, grounding front. Alright, so it's doing whatever it needs to do. I don't know.
There it goes.
I guess it takes longer. We're just impatient. Yeah. And the backs, there's still one in the back. Let's go down. Yeah. Oh, there it goes. Doing it. We just keep pushing buttons until we figure it out, I guess. Getting close. I guess when light's green is good. I'm sure that right blinks. Oh, that one's gone, but that one's good there. Let's see, it's all blinking green. It might be ready. Auto level grounding jacks, please wait. Oh, going again. Auto level grounding, left front. All right. Making the calculations. Oh, back's going. Uh-oh. Auto level success. It said it. I'm not sure if you've seen it. We're good. We have successfully got the RV on the pad. Now it's time to open up the slide outs. Okay, let's extend these slide outs out. Slide out one. Slide out one, out. That's out. Bye-bye, truck. Slide out too. Isn't that wild how the whole wall just starts moving? Let me go look on the other side. Make sure there's nothing over there. Make sure I didn't forget none. Sometimes you have a camper, you forget there's a wall there. You push it out. Well then, you push it right in front. We're gonna go ahead and close this just in case. I might just slide out too. Slide out 3, which is the bedroom. All right. We now have the RV on its pad. Slide outs out. Super pumped.